for health and wellness, may ata siya categories, for community engagement, and then for empowerment and inclusivity. No? So we've in target, gini siya namon. And aside from the usual activities, we want to invite new participants to the Bicycle Festival. So this is amaning do summary sa posters natin. You see there are two posters because we have 2 weekends of events, no? Jam-packed kita. Actually, we've started already some of the events, so we'll go over them one by one. I'd like to point out, these are the standard events that we have. Ining mga usual events for the Bike Festival. No? So of course, we have the opening program. We're calling this one Cycle for Change. And then ang closing program, we're calling it Bike to the Future. So this will be the last part. Moving forward, after we've done the 2 weeks of events, what do we want for the future? This is also a local staple, aton nga cyclopedia or biking civil. This time we're calling it, if you will notice sa titles nato, may mga play of words related to if biker, I think do maintindihan the inclusion of the cycling terms. So it's like an encyclopedia, although we're limited to 20 bicycles lang. Pero we want to highlight what is each type of bike, what is each type of use, kung ano ka na klase na biker, what is the specific bike for you. No? So we will display this one. As a poster, you can see the poster and then the venue. No? So venue natin is indoor atrium sa Festive Mall. Next is, this is also a staple, we have a kiddie race. So I think to have it more inclusive, no, we always have a kiddie race sa Bike Festival. And then there's another push bike race. So first weekend we have a kiddie race. Second weekend we have also a push bike race. No? And then I think this has been a staple for years, ang criterium race natin. And I'm very happy to announce, no, these are recent developments lang. We have been accredited already with Phil Cycling. And we have plans for international qualifying events here in Iloilo, just to solidify our stand as the bike capital of the Philippines. No? So ang medyo nag-strict ang qualifications for this one, since this is already, we can call it national sanction event na kay under na sa Phil Cycling. At the same time, we also have the Tour de Iloilo. Actually, na-obratan ni last time. This one, for this time also, medyo stricter ng rules natin because we are under Phil Cycling na. So we're looking forward to newer developments for next year. No? But I will say that for another press one naman siguro. Okay. Other staple events, we have the drag split. Now this is, this is geared towards yung mga fixie bikers. No, not the usual bikes. Ang fixie, if you're not familiar, ang mga bikes na wala brake, no, na you need to brake mano-mano. No? So may certain age man siya. So being inclusive, we want to include all riders. No? And then ang pinaka-highlight for the bike festival, ever since we've started, ang highlight natin is ang Grand Fun Ride where all the riders will come together. So more or less, that's the staple of events for each bike fest. So may add kami, no? Again, as I've said, we have 26 events, no? So may kita revived and upgraded. So over the years, there were events nga ara siya this year and then nadula, no? And then there was demand to bring it back because there is a certain niche na they want to be included in the festival, no? So gusto nato tanan ara. So first is